Want to save or download photos from the Telegram app using an iPhone? Hi there! In today's video, I will show how to save a video or photo in a gallery from the Telegram app. It's very simple to download videos using an iPhone from the Telegram app. Just have a look. You can manually save the photos or video, or you can do this automatic. To save manually, open Telegram, open Chat, find out the video or picture, tap the three dot on the top right corner. Tap Save Image. Now open your Photos apps and check the image or video. Now if you want to download or save a picture or video from your Telegram automatic, open Telegram, tap Setting, tap Data and Storage, tap Using Cellular or Wi-Fi depending on which one you use. Enable Auto Download Media. You can also choose data usage. So here are the two ways you can download the video from the Telegram app using your iPhone. If you find this video useful, write in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.